Thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, make sure you're subscribed. Today we're going to be doing some holiday DIYs, some that I saw on TikTok, some that I saw online. But if you're interested in getting your house ready for the holidays for the low, make sure that you stay tuned. So we're back to making things. This is my setup. I'm actually going to pull the camera in closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. But I have my Cricut machine. I have my cardstock. And today, you loud in here. We're going to be making a wreath. I went into the Cricut design space and I created the word joyful. I just picked whatever font that I liked. And I'm going to make that today on this cardstock that you see here. Any decorations that you want to add to it, I got all my things from either Target or Joann's. Okay, so I'm in the Cricut design space and I'm going to go ahead and make it. Okay, so once you've removed your cut out letters from your Cricut mat, this was a supply that I did not mention in the beginning. You want to have your these are not Q-tips. You want to have your toothpicks so that you can glue them, or you can tape them to the back of your item. And then you're just going to stick it in there and glue it onto your wreath. So let's do that. Then this is a really cheap glue gun that I got from Walmart years ago. So while I let my glue gun heat up, I want to show you guys how I have arranged the decorations around the wreath. I'm gonna play with it and see how I like that. Okay, so my glue gun is heated up and I'm gonna start with the solo reindeer head. Okay, so now we want to go back and visit our letters, and we're just going to stick those in at the very bottom. Okay guys, so our next project is going to be a messy one. We have our Cricut machine and we have our mat and we have our freezer paper. So the freezer paper we're going to use to cut out our stencil so that we can lay that across our mat. And then we're going to get messy with our paint. I have acrylic paint that I got on Amazon. Then I just have these brushes that I got from my son's Father's Day project. And then I have these pins to try to keep it in place. The video that I watched, she had pins, but they weren't safety pins. But I'm going to use these because this is all I could find. So let's get started. I have my Cricut set up. I have my mat set up with the wax paper on there. And then just make sure that the settings on your Cricut are set up properly for the material that you're using. So let's give it a go. go over it. I'm going to stick these pins in there so I can hold it down. Okay, so you want to heat up your iron. Don't use the steam portion. Do not use the steam portion. But you want to heat up the freezer paper so that it temporarily will adhere to the fibers in your mat. So let's go. So I got my paint options. I have this acrylic paint that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to do the lights in red, green, and yellow. And I'm going to do the wording in black. Okay, so I have my black that I'm going to start out with. I don't want to just pour all of them out. I'm just going to take my brush and dab in there. You want to make sure that you're not painting like with strokes, but just pushing it into the fibers of the carpet. If you're thinking this is going to be something quick, you should really evaluate whether you are willing to DIY or if you're willing to purchase this yourself. So with the acrylic paint, you want to make sure that you're really moving it into the fibers. So you may have to go over your letters more than once, which is what I did. I did use quite a bit of black paint, but now that I finished that up, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do the lights that are in the middle. So I made the cord black, and then I'm just going to put red, yellow, and green for every other light. So I'll show you guys that pattern, but of course, I'm going to speed up the clip. Okay guys, this is the finished project. This looks so freaking good. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. We're going to use vinyl. I'm going to use some sparkle vinyl because everything should be shimmery and pretty. Make a shirt for myself for a holiday party that I'm having later this month. Hey, you know, I've been very naughty this year. But, you know, let's settle for wine. Santa, you ain't got to bring me coke. All adults did some crazy stuff this year. So, you know, it's pandemic out here. Anywho, I want to show you guys that. I'm going to show you guys that. But this is by no means a tutorial. It's just showing you how I do it. I really do enjoy the holidays. I love making these things. I'm learning so much just by playing with my Cricut machine. But what I have seen some women do, or excuse me, some creators, they put the vinyl on the sheet, but they cheat when they put the transfer vinyl on there. And what I mean by cheat is they don't make 3 different sheets for 3 different colors. They mesh all the colors onto one sheet so that it can print all at once. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. All right, we're back in business, and my screen is telling me that it's on Vinyl Plus. I have that there because this is glitter vinyl, and it is a bit thicker than the actual than the regular vinyl. So we're gonna try to see how this goes. I'm not gonna do fast mode because I really wanted to get in there. Okay, so I'm looking at my Cricut mat, and I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up on camera, but I can see through the words, through the vinyl. And the star of the show, our wine, it didn't cut out properly. The W is up here, so everything else came out fine. I do see a slight imperfection on this wine bottle, but I'm going to reprint the word wine on a different sheet of gold, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done weeding all the letters, and I'm just gonna line them up on my shirt. Yeah, so the wine bottle and the wine glass, they're slightly cut off. We are going to fix, well actually, I'm not gonna worry about fixing those. It's for me, it's not for sale. So I'm gonna put those things on. That's how it looks. But I got my tool here. A knife. Got a knife. So I'm gonna it's an X-Acto knife. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of the E and a little bit of the W so that you can't tell that there was supposed to be loops. Let's see. Okay, so here's the finished product. I'm gonna put it on and we're gonna see how it turned out. So the last project that you guys saw in this video was me working on this shirt. I have a holiday party that I'm going to later on this month. And of course I'm gonna wear this as a shirt because I'm adult AF, right? Give me one. Okay, anyway. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. So also, where will we be without the last little comment to leave below? So leave your favorite holiday emoji down below in the comments, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye guys.